In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the lead status in HubSpot CRM. By the end, you'll confidently update a contact's lead status so your sales pipeline stays accurate and your team stays aligned. Start on your HubSpot home screen. Make sure you're signed in with the right permissions to edit contact properties. From here, head to your contacts area. You can open the full contacts list and use the search bar or filters to quickly find the person you want to update. Take a moment to confirm you've opened the correct contact record by checking key details like company and recent activity so you don't change the wrong one. Inside the contact record, locate the Edit option that lets you change properties. Clicking Edit opens a panel or modal where you can choose exactly which field you want to modify. This keeps your updates focused and prevents accidental changes to unrelated properties. In that editor, click the option that says Select a property to edit. A searchable list will appear. In the search box, start typing lead status and then select it from the results. Searching is faster than scrolling, and it ensures you're targeting the precise property used in your team's reports and workflows. After selecting the lead status property, you'll see a drop-down of available values. These values are defined by your HubSpot setup, and they control where a contact sits in your prospecting or qualification process. Consistency is important here. Choose the status your team uses to signal the correct stage and next action. For this walkthrough, pick Open. Setting the lead to open typically means the contact is active and ready for outreach or follow-up, and it helps your dashboards and sequences reflect current priorities. If your team uses different terminology, follow your internal playbook, but the process to select the value is the same. Once you've chosen Open, click Update to save your changes. You should see a confirmation right away, and the new status will appear on the contact's record. If your team has workflows or notifications tied to lead status, those will trigger automatically after saving. If the update doesn't appear immediately, give the page a second to refresh. That's all it takes. Open the contact, edit properties, search for lead status, choose the appropriate value, open for our example, and update to save. Keeping this field accurate ensures better forecasting, cleaner pipelines, and more effective handoffs between marketing and sales. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment with what you want to learn next, and subscribe for more.